back mga master! Kamusta? Dito here. And wala si Tita May ngayon kasi meron siyang pasok eh. Pero, kasama ko si Tito Jun. Tito Jun, batiin mo naman sila.
Hello!
Okay, dito kami ng Baler. Sa Aurora, sa Tanay tayo. Medyo hindi ko mapipidyo ngayon kasi no left turn dito, di ba? So medyo hindi ko mavi-video ngayon kasi medyo madilim pa. Pero tatry natin mamaya. Try natin mag hyperlapse pagka medyo lumiwanag na. Okay? So sige guys, dyan lang kayo. Don't be right back. We'll be away. After a little over 5 hours, we arrived at Aliya Surf Resort. Aliya Surf Resort is a premier beachfront destination nestled along the shores of Sabang Beach in Baler, province of Aurora. Renowned for its world-class surfing waves, stunning natural surroundings, and top-notch accommodations, Aliya Surf Resort offers a memorable and immersive experience for travelers seeking adventure, relaxation, and connecting with nature. The resort has 2 main buildings which house different room types. From a 2-person capacity room all the way to a 5-person capacity room for larger groups. They have a central lawn multi-purpose area where they sometimes hold events like concerts, yoga classes, and outdoor dining. The overall vibe is peaceful, yet lively. A perfect place to renew old friendships and to start new ones. We decided to visit our rooms which are located on the 3rd floor. Although wala silang elevator, they are more than willing to help carry your bags to your room. Habang umaakyat, nadidinig ko na yung waves. Excited na ako to try the beach. Kahit mag-isa lang ako sa room, I decided to get the quad beachfront that was good for 4 people. Medyo madami kasi akong camera gear. Plus, I like the room ambience. Kasama pala yung breakfast sa room rate, kaya good for 4 din yung breakfast ko bukas. This room has a very large balcony din. Perfect to catch the sunrise. The room comes with the basic amenities like linen and towels and hygiene kits. The bathroom was very clean and well stocked. It also has a water heater. Luckily, the sun was up. It's a perfect day to take pictures. They said that the balcony was big, pero di ko in-expect na ganito kalaki. Perfect! The bed was so inviting. At dahil dyan, matutulog muna ako. While waiting for the food sa dinner, I decided to check out the music room. Marami kasi ako nakitang decorations doon.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock in a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Nightly pala yung live band dito, not just weekends. What better way to end the day than to just chill and listen to the band play? Galing! At pwede ka rin makiset. Medyo minamalat ako nung time na yun kaya pinaubaya ako nila sa kanila. Pero sarap talaga makinig. The next day, kahit medyo maulan, we decided to go to Quezon Park. Situated in the heart of Baler, Quezon Park occupies a central location and is easily accessible to both locals and visitors. Its proximity to other attractions such as the Baler Museum and Baler Church makes it a convenient starting point for exploring the town. At the time of our visit, merong exhibit sa Quezon Park. Schools from all over Baler participated. Maganda kasi they depicted iba't ibang sea creatures and they used recyclable materials as their medium. And now it's time to go inside the Baler Museum. Bawal mag-video sa loob pero pinayagan kami to take pictures. Before the arrival of Spain, Baler was inhabited by indigenous groups. This included the Dumagats and the Negritos. These early inhabitants lived off the land. They engaged in fishing, farming, and hunting in the forests and coastal areas of what is now Aurora province. One of the museum's focal points is its exhibit dedicated to the Siege of Baler. This is a historic event during the Philippine Revolution against Spanish rule. From the museum, you can cross Quezon Street and find the famous Baler signage. Selfie-selfie muna! Notice na may accent na surfboard yung Baler sign? In addition kasi to its natural beauty and historical landmarks, Baler is considered as the birthplace of surfing in the Philippines. We made our way to the Pag-asa Synoptic Radar Weather Station. Maganda daw yung vantage point doon eh. Sadly, it was closed. Employees na lang daw ang pwedeng umakyat. Sayang. So we went to the next best place, Digusit Beach. Photo ops! Since we were planning to come back, we stopped by Ohana Beach Resort to do an ocular. Ako na parang group.
15 po kasi. Dalawa ka, pwedeng sa punta.
Di tayo po pwede. At tapos nandito yung CR.
Oo, nakalabas yung
Ayan, dalawahan.
mas maligit to. Kasama na ba ito? Ito, ito. Ito yung ano. Ito yung nakikita ko sa picture. Nasabi ko ba parang dati malawag yan. Tingin pa lang bago.
Lugar na to. Anong lugar na to?
Digisit.
Digisit.
Digisit pa rin ito. Ano siya parang may sila sa body. Sige. May Facebook page naman pala yun. Pwede naman ako kukontak. Oo.
Pero Aurora pa rin to.
Oo. Hanggang kasiguran nga, 2 oras, 3 oras. Aurora pa rin yun. Pinakadulo lang po yung dilasan. Oo, yung dilasan. No? Na mas malayo pa sa kasiguran. So, hindi pa pala dulo yung kasiguran. Okay, thank you, sir.
Salamat, pre. Ito pala, may ano din.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be.
Dinaanan na rin namin itong Sabang Beach Lighthouse to take some pictures.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Our last stop is the Millenium Balete tree. This is said to be one of the largest balete trees here in Asia.
A year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things.
And just like that, tapos na ang vacation.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.